You know that matches his outfit. Just him Jeeper all down the side here.
Probably what was better was how, like, no one was just smiling at him.
Mm-hmm. There's bigger stickers on the counter, Cindy, but they lost their sticker arrangement on the counter.
Did you get it? I think you got it, sweetheart.
Uh-oh. Why do we have cheese in the closet? What's in the closet? Cheese!
There wasn't room in my glove compartment.
Let's put it in here.